Hey, what's up? Another unboxing. Welcome friends, family, and strangers. Today we got ourselves a wireless headset with a microphone. Bluetooth. Take a look. Earbay. USB dongle is included. Here's the model number, BT782. BT786. Earbay. Nice, actually. The wireless headset with microphone features a dual device connection, long-lasting battery, lightweight design, soft leather ear pads, powerful control and mute button, noise canceling microphone, wireless 5.0 version. Contact information support if you need to. Nice, simple, on top of ear design. Ooh. I like it. Like a little gel pack. Don't let your kids near that. Manual. Simple. Pretty self-explanatory. Easy. Ooh, I got like a rose gold look to it. I like it. Not typically a color I normally use, but this is nice. Very nice. I put it to the side. It comes with USB-B micro and the dongle. Nice. Anything else in the box? Nope. Pretty minimalistic, simple, very nice. You got your controls here on the left ear, I'm assuming. The pads are nice and soft and supple. Okay, there it is. Right. Yep, I was right. This is left. This is right. Nice. The ear pads, nice swivel action. All the way in, all the way out. I like it. Find out what that control for. Oh, this might be volume. Looks like volume. And the controls on this side, just on one. Alright, let's give it a test. Dongle time. Okay, so I've been listening to the speakers itself. The bass is very good. That's nice. It's clear. Voices come out nice. I was listening to a podcast, and then I switched over to music. Speakers are good on both sides. Laying on top, you know, you get a little breathing air around your ears, especially during summer. This might be the way to go. Microphone. Let's go ahead and check the microphone. Okay, this is the... Okay, there it is. There might be a little popping, so let me turn down the volume. Which is typical because the microphone is so close to the mouth, so it's going to pop. You got to adjust your... So this is the sound of this microphone. I wonder how good the noise canceling is. This is a fan. I don't know if the fan is being picked up by the microphone. Wow, this is actually quite nice. I like this. The sound effects, the sound of the microphone. This is the sound of the microphone. Okay, Earbay. Hey, there it is. This is a nice little Bluetooth headset. This is actually quite nice. I might even use this for some gaming. We'll do another test and a full review later.